welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday, March 1st. It is currently 1 p.m. and we are starting late on our vlog. Today the weather is supposed to be really nice in Maryland, so we are going to take opportunity that we don't have much going on today. As you guys do know, Victor does nightlife, so we have some time to spend with him during the day. So today we have decided to clean up his car because his car is a mess, like literally a mess. There's crumbs everywhere just from him doing this job, and I am an OCD, like kind of like clean freak, you know. Well, not really, I have a mess going on here, but still. So welcome. Say hi, little man. Are you having your snack? What's your snack? Yeah, what are you eating? You have to think about it and you're just chewing. Chew, chew, chew. So Damien's getting better with his pink eye. It's officially healed, and I think I can officially send him back to school tomorrow because he's missed 2 days of PEP. So I will send him back to school tomorrow. Oh, and you finished his juice, Jesus Christ. If you guys are wondering where Victor is, he is showering currently, and I am gonna go change this face into somewhat decent face. I still have not bought foundation. I have yet procrastinated to go to Target or somewhere. I know what drugstore foundation I love instead of buying a pricey one, so that's what I'm waiting for. Hopefully I can get that today. Just kidding, guys. I'm like trying to have my own fun over here. I'm just trying to be excited for the day. You know, it's a beautiful day, so why not? So let's get this face started. I spent like 20 minutes doing my eyeliner and it's not coming out okay. So, do you know what? This is just how the product is gonna look. Cause F it. F it, right? I'm holding up my hubby and my kid, so it just the life of a mom trying to get ready. Hey guys, quick update. We are out and about and we are going to Target to get some cleaning supplies for Victor's car and Damien's diapers. Nothing too big. And we got a quick sandwich to go from Burger King. I love Burger King, and I'm about to get Victor's sandwich ready because he's starving. Yeah, and he's probably all mad at me for recording and not getting a sandwich. If you're wondering what we got chicken sandwiches. I think I already said that Victor got that, but I got the same thing. And, oh wow. And Damien got his Happy Meal.
No way, yeah. The hiccups have returned.
Oh, Victor has been having like these like horrible hiccups coming in and out the whole freaking day. Like, I don't know what is going on.
My poor whatever's in the back. Ow.
Boy, what is going on? my husband.
Smack myself out of it.
Fine, don't do that. People are gonna wonder what's wrong, but.
Yo.
Huh? What? We are at Target. Target. That's how you say it. Who else is Target?
Target. Hey, say Target backwards.
Huh?
Hey, say Target backwards.
Why is it not? Switch the what?
The tar and the J. Backwards.
J tar?
Haha.
What? What is that supposed to mean?
J tar.
Oh wow. Oh, their scandal. Oh, we follow a lot of other vloggers. I love following an array of different vloggers, honestly. Remember how I told you guys we were supposed to clean Victor's car? Well, here we are in the car cleaning supplies. And yeah, so right now we're looking for a stain remover. So let's find that. My favorite cleaning supply section, the natural section. Anyone else a Star Wars fan? I would die to have this lightsaber. Like my hands are like sweaty because I would die. Woo, woo, woo. Let me not touch it. It's 150 and I would pay that for a lightsaber. So we are done buying our stuff. We have our little wipes and we added onto the car diapers. And right now we are in the car section for Damien.
Hey, look, David, look.
Anybody else a Fast and Furious fan like I am? Well, we both are. This is the baby. Yeah. Are you American or import? I'm just Third update, when you have a toddler, he has changed his mind to Play-Doh. Now we're picking which one he wants. And this one is the winner. Hopefully that's it, right? Can we just go now?
Yeah.
Yes. Yay!
They have ice cream like themed Play-Doh.
Really?
Hey, look, it's like with sprinkles in them and whatnot.
Let me see.
Oh, this one is it. See?
We are back in the car. Ooh, weird angle. We are back in the car and we are going back home. And as you guys can guess, poor little man has the hiccups.
Little man, what the? What? Excuse me.
We are back home, guys, and Damien is enjoying his new toy, and right now Victor is gonna go take a nap because he's gonna get ready for the nightlife, and I'm just gonna do my thing. I am debating whether I should make that meat, because I had meat taken out, but but it looks kind of weird. I don't know. I froze it and I don't know if it had freezer burn or something like that. So yeah.
Hang on,
Hey, bye. I love you.
Number 2. Bye, guys.
Bye. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you.
Have a nice nap. I love you and I miss you already. So I am just wondering what to do now that we're home, and I feel so freaking lazy, guys. I just don't want to do anything, and I still have some those groceries to put away. I just don't feel like doing it. Oh, and this is my OOT of the day. This shirt is from Victor. It is originally from American Eagle. This shirt is from American Eagle. My shorts are from Hollister, and I was wearing Sperry's. And yeah, so that was it. Yeah, I'm just wondering what to do now. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to disinfect Damien's toys because I finally got the Clorox wipes, so I can finally disinfect that. His toys have been lingering with germs for like a month, so I gotta do that. Mom problems. It's dinner time after cleaning that. What are we having for dinner, Damien? You want mac and cheese? Show them your mac and cheese. Okay. Your little spin, your little mac and cheese dance. Oh, is that okay? Ba 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 ba. Oh, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? If you guys are wondering, Damien is 3 years old, and if you guys are wondering why his speech is delayed, that is the reason why he is going to school for socialization. I could go more into depth about Damien, but it is such a long thing. I probably will be here ranting for like more than 10 minutes. Not ranting, but just informing you guys about Damien, since you guys have missed the 3 years of his life, basically. But yeah, so if you notice that Damien is a little quiet, he is a little behind on his social skills, but that's just about it. So don't worry, he's fine, you know. He's actually advanced in other sets. I just can't tell you right off the bat. I would have to look at his testing scores and tell you how many months he's advanced and all that. But yeah, socialization, he is pretty behind. Don't worry, Mom, we've got our water right here. You guys, if you guys want to try the best mac and cheese, it is definitely the Annie's mac and cheese. Hands down, the best cheese. Add your milk and add your butter, and it is so yummy. As you guys can tell, I feel like my day has sort of ended. Don't scratch your chin. As you guys can tell, my day has sort of ended. Well, not really. I will be doing mostly my mom's stuff and whatnot, and I'm waiting for Victor to finally wake up from his nap so I can get Damien ready for school tomorrow. And I think I will be ending the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow. I definitely will vlog tomorrow because we did not clean Victor's car and whatnot, and you know, I have nothing else to do. So bye guys.